Scotland's Gaelic College, Solmorostig, was first established in 1973 in an old barn in Slate in the Isle of Skye. Over the years it has grown fast, with new buildings first added at the original site, and then at the neighbouring Arain Hallamchillia campus, with its spectacular views over the Sound of Slate. The new facilities include increased student accommodation and an academic hub building. The latest addition is the Centre for Creative and Cultural Industries, named FAOS, Gaelic for Growth. Here there are professional broadcast studios and facilities for filmmakers. The college's lifelong learning department is also situated in this building. This is the administrative centre for the college's distance learning programmes and summertime short courses. Michael Spears from Perthshire is an administrator for online courses. He helps keep track of Gaelic learners all over the world who are following the college's access course, Ngorsa Eintrigi, which takes learners up to a level where they can apply to join a full-time degree course. Alex Gruber from Poland is an administrator for short holiday courses in Gaelic language or cultural topics. Both Michael and Alex were at the college as students before starting their current jobs. The academic hub is the central gathering point for the college. This is where students and staff take their midday meal. It's an opportunity to catch up with friends and colleagues and exchange new ideas.
Dit is Michele, haar son, en Marjolein Eveline. Van toen maar die in het transport. Hij heeft zo zien met Eveline. En met kaarten is nog ja.
The college also has a well-known library in the same building. There is an extensive collection of books, some of them old and extremely valuable. It's also a quiet and peaceful space, which staff and students find useful for study. Staff also have their own rooms, which they can use to hold business meetings, for example. There is also a shop for students, staff, and the general public. As well as books, music, stationery, and clothes are available here. At the end of the day, students can retire to their own rooms in the accommodation block.
Going up.
Here they have the option of preparing food for themselves if they prefer, with an inspiring outlook from their kitchen window. The college exists to serve its students' needs. Each morning, as they start the day, they can look forward to new ideas and experiences in a truly unique learning environment.